Well, hello again. This is Robert Schein, Managing Director and Partner of Blanke Schein Wealth Management. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Just take a deep breath, everybody, because I don't know about you, but I didn't get any sleep last night. I still haven't gotten any sleep last night. A lot of coffee for sure. And you know what? At the end of the day, this is 2020. Why would we have an outcome today? Why? Who expected that? Yesterday I went through our just go vote. Well, we checked that box. Hopefully everyone did that. Now what? This is what we're talking about. But ultimately, all the election scenarios here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management that we're navigating for our clients as we go forward in the days, minute by minute, weeks ahead as well. And this is 2020. So let's get right to the topics of the day. So first out of the gate, as the dust settles, we have an election toss-up like nobody could have ever predicted. In fact, one thing's for certain, I did say this early on, and I repeated it several times in my daily updates. All polls are wrong. All modeling has been wrong. Everything for every prediction for 2020 has been not off by a little, but off by a lot. We had some in the media talking about a blue wave. A lot of very credible institutions talking about a blue wave setup, and we should be worried about that as it relates to this election. Well, guess what? We didn't have that. That would be really negatively impacting the future of the investment management world, specifically because we would see things like taxation, you would see a lot of spending, you would see Congress having the ability to do whatever they want, whenever they want. And it doesn't matter if it's a blue wave or a red wave and Congress is in control of one party or the other. That is always dangerous, historically speaking, simply because there's not a checks and balance system. So it really appears right now, again, anything can change. This is a fluid moment in time. But if we just take a pause and take a look, markets are rallying and they're up big. And that's because it's a relief rally because there's no blue wave. Again, blue wave means, higher taxes, assuming Vice President Biden gets in and he basically wants to repeal all the tax policies of Trump that he put in place, day one, dollar one. And again, he'd go for just about a few other things like the Green New Deal. A lot of solar stocks are selling off right now as a result of that. Infrastructure play, we could see that. I think Congress could probably be on board for that. A smaller stimulus bill versus a larger stimulus bill is basically what that means is the result of a divided Congress at this moment, which is good for the long-term national debt. If we're concerned about that for our kids and our kids' kids and ultimately short-term entitlements like Social Security and Medicare. That stuff really matters to the U.S. economy, that matters to Americans, but we can't just bankrupt America and just keep continuing to spend this money. Even though we can refinance at low interest rates, ultimately that's where we are. And at this moment in time, it looks like the checks and balances with the Senate staying in the GOP sort of camp at this moment. Again, anything can change. Who knows? This is 2020. I do have something for you. I heard this the other day, and I think it's very true. I don't know anybody, maybe you won't know anybody, and ask around, and you can use this one if you want. On January 1st of 2021, I don't know anyone who's going to wake up that morning without a significant hangover, because we're all going to be happy to see 2020 go. So if we get out of this sooner than later, we will. One other prediction is true. If you turn on CNN today, President Trump said that the coronavirus wouldn't be a thing anymore. Well, if you look on CNN today, they don't even have the coronavirus count at all anywhere. So that was one prediction that he made that actually came true. It's all about the election. Obviously, I say that with tongue in cheek, and I want everyone to be responsible because coronavirus is a real thing. That's my disclaimer. That being said, we've got a lot of election scenarios that we've already modeled for our clients here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management. We do really believe that this setup, regardless of how it comes, we have a divided Congress, is really a good thing. We can actually make some significant growth opportunities, or find some significant growth opportunities for our clients, and those will find their way on our clients' portfolios going forward. So we're really encouraged, even at this moment in time of true uncertainty. One thing's for sure, we've got our playbook. We also have an election playbook that we said, whatever case scenario plays out, if you want that, please just hit any one of us or send us an email or give us a call here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management. We're happy to get that out there for you. So that's our update right now. And the next update is bad or up. So tomorrow, what we would be concerned about, or what the markets are paying attention to, even though they're up the last 3 days, super big, right? is Jerome Powell. The 10-year Treasury sold off this morning simply because there's that period of time of uncertainty right now because we don't have election results. And so that means that the Federal Reserve might step up or might spook the market depending upon whatever economic updates and the support that they may provide in terms of liquidity as well as additional stimulus things that they can do on their side. So that's what the markets are going to be paying attention to first out of the gate tomorrow. But right now we have a divided Congress. That's a positive, net positive, as it relates to our investment portfolios, as it relates to what we see going forward. We just don't have a president of the United States declared, but between now and next time we meet, maybe we will. So fingers crossed. That's our update for the day, and stay tuned and maybe get some sleep because I know I need some too. Take care, guys.